Here she come, y'all. Beta Bay don't play, baby. Workhorses, baby. Timber! Not play, baby. That's Beta Bay, baby. We don't play, baby. That's what we do, baby. That's what we come to do, man. We workhorse ready, man. That's why they call us Paul Bunyan and the Workhorses. Get your home storm season ready, man. Get it storm season ready, because that's what it's gonna do when the hurricane comes. But it ain't gonna go the way you want it. It'll hit your home. Timber, baby. Play the workhorse. Call it a day, man. Tree experts, tree removal, pine tree removal, oak tree removal. Dude, man, we lumberjacks, man. We got one up there in the tree over there doing this thing. We just dropped the second one. We're gonna drop that right there. That's how you do it, man. Nice and slow, nice and safe, professional. 15 years of experience. My boy right here got 30 years of experience. Man, we lumberjacks, man. We don't play, man. It's the 4th tree of the day, baby. 5th tree of the day. We already knocked 4 down. It's the 5th one of the day, man.
Hold on. Go ahead. Go get the tree.
Beta Bay Tree Service, man. Experts and pros at tree removal, pine removal, oak removal. Man, it's hurricane season, man. If you don't want them winds knocking them pines and oaks down on your home, call Beta Bay, man. We'll get them gone, man. We the lumberjacks. Beta Bay Tree Service, man. 727-204-8122, man. Fully licensed, fully insured. See that beautiful pie cut, baby. And timber, she put workhorse, baby. Pool, baby. Pull it down. Timber, baby. That's what we do, baby. That's Beta Bay Tree Service, baby. Real workhorses. Real workhorses. That's what we do, baby. We knock them down all the way to the ground, baby.